Hello students, here we have a question from IIT JEE 2009 which says the number of 7-digit integers with sum of digits equal to 10 and formed by using digits 1, 2 and 3 only is. Now the first thing that we should notice here that the question says that we can use digits 1, 2 and 3 only. That means we cannot use any other digits except these. But then it does not say that all of them have to be used together. So we will think of different ways in which this can be done. For this, we can just put up 7 places here for 7 digits and then think of the possibilities. First of all, we can put 1 in place of all these slots and the total comes out 7. But the total has to be 10. 3 more ones have to be accommodated. Now, if you add 3 ones at different places, this will mean the digits have to be 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2 and 2. And if you don't do this, instead of this, you put 2 ones at one place and 1, 1 and at some other place. So this is a case of 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 and then 2 and 3. So these are the two possibilities and the only two possibilities which can be there. So in these cases, now we just need to calculate the number of permutations. In the first case, there are 7 digits. So total 7 objects in 7 factorial ways can be arranged. And then out of them, you can see 4 of them are and 3 factorial. In the second case, we have 5 identical cases and all others are different. So here we will do 7 factorial upon 5 factorial and that's all. So the first answer comes out as 35. In the second case, the answer comes out as 42. Adding these two cases, we get the final answer as 77.